Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number B9332P. 22,000 miles on this Pacifica. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. Seat 7, leather interior, stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Pacifica is a very safe vehicle. Blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, all helping to make it an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Power liftgate for convenience, deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. You can, of course, fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Power liftgate and sliding doors have pinch protection. Automatically reverse if anything gets in the way to make sure nothing gets damaged and no one gets hurt. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. And when they're in the upright position, you have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, lock, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable button on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated front seats, 3-zone climate control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, and that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Lots of storage in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.